This has probably happened to you before. You're on the Trumbull Times website, and when you click on an article to read, a box pops up saying, "Subscribe to continue reading." But with a Trumbull Library card, there's no need to spend money on a subscription because you can read the Trumbull Times right through our website. This video will show you how. Let's start on the library website, www.trumbull-ct.gov/library. Scrolling down a little, you'll see 6 buttons across the page, which go to the main library services. If you look at this page on a phone, you'll see the buttons going down vertically. Click on the Research Center button. Scroll down to the Newspapers category, and then click on Trumbull Times. If you're doing this from a library computer, the link will go right into the database. If you're doing this from home, you'll first see a screen asking you to enter your library card number, so go ahead and do that. Be aware that this link doesn't take you directly to the Trumbull Times. We've been having some technical issues with this link, so instead, you'll see a list of newspapers. These are all the newspapers that we have access to through our subscription with Newsbank, so we'll just click on the letter T, and then Trumbull Times. And here we are. There's some information at the top of the page that shows us the date range available, which is 2006 through the present. It also says text, which means we are only getting the text of the articles, not photographs or any other kind of images. If I want to look at the most recent issue, I can click the date right here at the top. This brings up a list of all articles from that issue in order by page number. You'll usually get a few at the beginning called Untitled Article, which is usually just a headline or informational box rather than an actual article. Looking at the ones with titles, when I click on that, I get the article, just the text. There are some buttons at the top here. The printer icon is of course for printing. The arrow is to download the article, and the envelope icon is to email a copy of the article either to yourself or someone else. This button with the 2-letter A's is for adjusting the text size. Click it to make the text bigger, or click it again to go back to the regular size. And note this section that says Read News Document. You can click the play button and an automated voice will read the article for you while highlighting each word as it's read. Then you can click the pause button or the stop button to stop it.
After Trumbull sets mill rate, tax is set to rise by 4.85%. Trumbull, the town is expected to see a 4.8%.
But what if I want to look at an older issue? Going back to the front page, I'll just scroll down a little and I can click on any of these dates from the current year to see that issue. If I want a previous year, going back to the front page, I can just select it from this drop-down list. So now I see all the issues from the year 2022, and again I can click on one of those. I can also search the articles. So let's say I want to search for articles about restaurants. The results are sorted with the newest articles first, since that's what's highlighted in the sidebar on the left. I can also click these other options to have the oldest articles first, or the ones that are the best match. Usually results are considered better matches if they use the search word multiple times or if they have it in the headline or the first paragraph rather than somewhere else in the article. I can also limit by date, so let's say that I only want articles about restaurants from 2022 through 2024. So I just enter that and click Apply. And that's how you can get the Trumbull Times online with your library card. If you still need help, just stop by the library in person or give us a call.